Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how to change out the brake light bulb on a Honda Odyssey. I have a 2004 Honda Odyssey, but this will apply to a 99 to 2004 Honda Odyssey. The bulb on this side of my car, the brake light bulb, is burned out, and I'm going to show you exactly how to replace it right after this. Okay, so here we are at the tailgate light, and the bulb that we're trying to get at is right in here, the brake bulb. This is very simple to take out. There are just two tabs here that we'll need to pop out with a small standard screwdriver, and there are screw bolts behind there that you can use a ratchet or a Phillips screwdriver on to get out. So, and you might, the way that this is angled, there's that one. I've actually already taken that one out. And then that one. So if you only have standard tools, then you can just use the Phillips screwdriver. It's very quick and easy to get out. There's the other one. Okay, so this unit should just slide out. Okay, might need a little wiggling. Okay, so we have this out, and it's gonna be dangling by the wires. You notice this right here is gonna have to go into that hole. We want this top one, because that's this light here. This should just twist. Pull it right out. Okay, and it just should slide right out. You might want to wear gloves. This can be dirty. This bulb is a 7443 Long Life Sylvania. I'll have a link in the description for this if you want to pick one up for your vehicle. Told that some vehicles also take this 7440, but it looks like mine takes this particular bulb. Okay, so to replace it, you simply just want to slide it in until it snaps in, and then just put it back here into the hole, and we gotta lock it in until now it's locked in. So now we're gonna slide this unit back in, making sure that hole is lined up over there. Okay, so I've lined this up. All we have to do now is to simply put the screws back in. You want it to be snug but not too tight, and then lock that tab back in. Okay, so we have our unit back in place. That's all there is to it in changing out the brake bulb on the Honda Odyssey. And you can do this. It's just a few dollars for the bulb. Again, I'll have the link in the description for the light bulb. Appreciate you watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, The Handy Hudsonite, for more tips, hacks, and reviews so that you can get the job done. And hit that notification bell so that you can get content as it goes up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.